It takes a team to build a fully fledged digital product. But what if you don't have a team? I'm Michael and I'm a senior business analyst in Merixstudio. In this video, I'll elaborate on the dedicated product team model, which might be the answer to your needs. The dedicated product team is one of the main cooperation models used in software development outsourcing. Within this kind of collaboration, your software partner provides you with a team of experts who cover a wide spectrum of roles in your project. The dedicated product team model works best for companies wanting to build their products from the ground up. You may also use it to augment your internal development team's work around scaling up your product. It will work just fine as well. The key benefits of a dedicated product team are incorporated in the name of this cooperation model. Dedicated, meaning customized. Team members are selected in accordance with the specific needs of your project. Product. From the process of composing the team, through design to development, our core focus remains the same: your product. Team. In a dedicated team model, you get access to a range of qualified professionals who operate like a remote department. So instead of months spent on recruiting the right people and integrating them into your structures, you can have your specialists set up and ready within a few weeks. The typical self-managed dedicated team consists of a project manager, UX and UI designers, software developers, quality assurance specialists, and DevOps engineers. The key to success is to find the right mix of skills that add value to your product and eventually bring it to life. The final lineup of your dedicated team depends on a few factors, like the maturity of your product, the chosen tech stack, and the people you already have on your side. This is why the very first step in the process of setting up a dedicated team is discussing and understanding project requirements. A recommended and most thorough way to spell them out is a product discovery workshop or a scoping session. After that, we're ready to bring the best experts to the table. Once the team is composed and approved, we may start the show. And it begins long before the first line of code, in the heads of our UX designers. The whole solution has to be thought through in terms of architecture and the logic in order to deliver the best experience to your users. The main outputs of this process are mockups. Our UI designers use them to create the first views in Sketch and present them in InVision. When we know how the app is supposed to work and look like, we can move to the third stage, which is development. The workflow consists of coding as well as testing. The last step assumes the ongoing improvement in experience optimization and continuous integration, as well as delivery. And how does it work in practice? Let's picture it with the case study of a UK-based startup, Altium. The founders were looking for support in building a software as a service platform for vehicle fleet managers and drivers. The goal was to create a simple yet functional MVP. The founders didn't just need a high-quality code base, but most of all they wanted to work with a team that understands their product. We knew that to meet their expectations, we had to start with a product design workshop. This provided us with a great foundational base to compose a well-fitted, self-managed team, consisting of an agile project manager, 2 product designers, 2 back-end engineers, front-end and mobile engineers, as well as a quality assurance specialist. With such a cross-functional team adjusted to the project needs, it took us a couple of months to deliver the MVP. But our work didn't stop there. After releasing the first version of the app, we focused on its further development. To sum up, in a dedicated product team, you get technical consultation at the very beginning, a self-managed multidisciplinary team that will offload your in-house non-tech employees, UX and UI support from day zero, a detailed quote and product roadmap at start. Whether you're starting your business or upscaling your product development, we're here to help. Here at Merixstudio, we consider ourselves one big team, not just a number of units. So when we join your project, we're on the same page from day one.